Pry up the center of the rivet first. This will unlock it. Next, pry up the base of the fastener.
Here's a closer look at how to remove the rivets.
Pull the grille to remove it from the vehicle. Remove the bolts that secure the housing by turning them counterclockwise.
This is why we remove the grille. There's going to be a little kind of lever, and you want to push this lever up like that, and it's going to unlock the housing.
Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Disconnect the bulb housing.
So we're going to push that tab up, and then push the tab to remove like that.
Reconnect the bulb housing. Push the connector straight in to connect the bulb housing.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place. We recommend changing your bulbs in pairs. If one bulb is burnt out, its counterpart bulb is likely near the end of its life as well. Bulbs get dimmer by 20% over time, which is another great reason to change both bulbs at once.
And I'm going to come over here and lock this by pushing it down.
Replace the bolts that secure the housing by turning them clockwise.
Align the grille with the body of the vehicle before securing it. It's important to make sure it's set properly, otherwise it won't attach correctly.
Align the base of the rivet first. Next, push down on the center to lock it in place.
We recommend wearing gloves when changing your lights. The oils on your fingers can create hot spots and cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. Make sure the bulb housing is secure.